It's a nice day. What are you going to do this morning, Peter? I'm going to the tennis club with some of my friends. We have not seen each other for a long time. I bet you will stay at home and watch movies. It is so boring. Oh no, you are totally wrong. I am going to the supermarket to get some food. Sarah, do you want to go with me? It will be very interesting. Yes, Mom, I would love it. So let's finish your breakfast first. We don't have much time. Yes, Mom. Can we go to the supermarket every weekend, Mom? Of course, Sarah. We will have more time together. I will help you push the cart. Okay, you are a good girl, Sarah. What kind of fruits do you like, Sarah? I like apples. They are so sweet. I can eat 10 apples a day. I like apples too. What do you think if we make apple pie this afternoon? Your dad will like it. Yes, I will eat a lot. Can I invite a few friends to our house and enjoy apple pie with us? I guess they will be very surprised. No problem. You can invite as many friends as you want. Why do you buy so many fruits? Fruits are good for our health because they contain a lot of vitamins. Today, I think I will get some oranges and bananas. Why do you choose them, Mommy? There are many other fruits on the shelf. Oranges contain vitamin C, which makes us healthier. Orange juice can make our skin better too. Oh, I see. That is why you drink orange juice every morning. You want to be more and more beautiful. Is that true? You are right, Sarah. I should have this habit too. What about bananas? I do not like eating bananas at all. Do they have anything special? Bananas are good for your digestive system and your heart. That means your body can process food better and your heart is stronger. Oh, I will try some, but I am not sure. If you do not like bananas, we can make banana ice cream or banana cakes. I hope you will change your thinking. I hope so too. Besides fruits, vegetables are also good for your health. But I see that you do not eat much. Mommy, what vegetables are good for our health? You should eat various kinds of vegetables. For example, cabbage, cauliflower, cucumber, tomato, pumpkin. Oh, I see. We can make cabbage salad. It is very delicious. Great idea. It is also healthy. Do you want to make it by yourself? I will show you how to do it. Really? I'm very excited about that. You should learn how to cook, Sarah. You will be a mom in the future. A super mom like you. Are you kidding? It is the truth. I am not kidding at all. You are admirable. Mommy, why don't we buy some carrots to make carrot juice? I like it very much. That is a good idea. Carrots are good for your eyes because they contain vitamin A. But do not drink too much carrot juice. Your skin may turn yellow. I am sure you do not like that. I know, Mom. I am imagining someday I will turn into a huge carrot. It is so funny. Do you know the benefits of cucumbers? Let me think. Cucumbers also help us have better skin. I have never seen you put slices of cucumbers on your face. That is only one benefit of cucumbers. Cucumbers contain many important vitamins and minerals, including protein and vitamin C. Especially, there is plenty of water inside cucumbers. You know, water is crucial to your body. Oh, it is so wonderful, Mom. Yes, baby. And when eating cucumbers, you should not peel them in order to maximize the amount of nutrients. So convenient, Mom. From now on, I think I can eat cucumbers every day. Remember to soak them in salt water before that. Of course, I am not a child anymore. More importantly, when buying any kinds of fruits or vegetables, you should choose the fresh ones. Rotten ones are not good for our health. I think we bought enough fruits and vegetables. What do you like for lunch, Sarah? I like fish, Mommy. Great idea. Fish is very good for your health. And I will be more intelligent when eating fish. Is that right? That's right. I will make baked fish, okay? You are number one, Mom. That is Daddy's favorite food. Okay, let's go to the seafood section. There are so many kinds of fish here. I do not know what to choose. I will help you. Wow, such huge crabs. Can we get some, Mommy? We can have steamed crabs for dinner. Crabs will provide our bodies with kanzi, which is good for our bones. Means I will be taller. That is true, but do not forget to do exercise in the morning. You will be taller and stronger. Do you want to buy canned fish, Mom? Oh, no. Canned goods are convenient, but they may contain dangerous bacteria and harm our health. It is better to buy frozen fish or fresh fish. We will buy chicken and pork, Mom? Of course, I nearly forgot. We will have chicken soup for lunch. Both chicken and pork are good for our health. They provide our bodies with protein. We can make fried chicken too. Okay, girl. But you should not eat fried foods frequently. They contain so much fat. I think no girl wants to gain weight. Yes, Mom. Just sometimes. What about drinks, Mom? Can I get Coca-Colas? Why don't you drink fruit juice instead of Coca-Colas? Gas drinks is not good because you may get fat and have diabetes. Oh, getting fat is terrible. I will get orange juice instead. What about beer for Daddy? Okay, daughter. Your father sometimes drinks a glass of beer at the weekend. He does not use it much because it is unhealthy. Sarah, there is not any milk in our fridge. We will pick some at a milk section. Okay, Mom. I like drinking milk in the morning. Mommy, why do you take so much milk? Is it discounted? Oh no, darling. Milk is nutritious and we should drink it every day. Even your father and I drink a glass of milk per day. But you should drink no sugar-added milk instead of sweetened milk. Why, Mommy? No sugar-added milk is so pale. You know, sugar is not good for your health. Okay, I will not drink sweetened milk anymore. Can I buy chocolate? I have not eaten it for a long time. Okay, baby. Chocolate is good for your brain, but eating it too much can make you gain weight. Do you know that? I know, Mom. I will come to the candy section to get just a little. A few minutes later, Sarah comes back with a small box of chocolate. Mommy, do you like instant noodles? It is so delicious. Every kid likes instant noodles, including you. However, eating much instant noodles is not good. You may get some diseases related to hearts or kidneys. Your body may get hot inside too. But I like it, Mom. I will eat instant noodles only once a week, I promise. Let me see. Sarah, do you want me to buy some new clothes? You are getting bigger and bigger. Okay, Mom. We will buy something for Daddy. I will buy him a new t-shirt. I guess he will like it. His birthday is next Saturday. I have tried on so many dresses, Mommy. I am so tired and hungry. Do you want to eat anything? What about fast food? I do not recommend you to eat fast food. It is oily and contains high calories. Why don't we come home and cook lunch with fresh vegetables and meat? They are safer and healthier. I will help you, Mom. Is there anything to eat, Emma? I am hungry. I cannot wait anymore. A meal is ready, my darling. Take a rest for a while, and we will have lunch together. Dad, do you know who made the salad? Of course, your mom. It is me, Daddy, although with Mommy's help. I'm very surprised, and I'm happy to hear that, Sarah. You did a good job.